Now it's time to tone and strengthen our side muscles. So we're laying down on our side, legs and arms in a nice straight line here. Now if your neck's a little bit sore, it's a good idea to have the towel underneath you just for that extra support. Feels quite nice. So if you want to do that, jump in and get your towel and place it here so it's nice and comfortable for you. So we're going to bend our bottom knee forward. Okay, so the knee is almost up at the hip. And we're going to lengthen and stretch this leg right away from the body. So you've really got to feel as if once again you are keeping space between the hips and the ribs. Get the Fab 3 on. And with the Fab 3 you should feel a bit of space underneath your side here. Quite a good space in fact. So the whole purpose of our leg lifts, we're going to lift and lower for 10, is to resist the air, stabilize the core. Remember, everything starts with here, everything starts with the core. And press through the air with resistance. Breathing is nice and flowing. So I want you to make sure you're not just flipping your leg around and moving the hips. We keep our hips stable, which you know from all the other videos now. Squeeze it up, squeeze it down. So on the way down, your inner thigh is also working. Check that you've got a bit of space here between your chin and chest. Say a tennis ball space, because you don't want to be hunched in. A couple more. Should start to feel it working on the outer thigh here. And now we're going to go straight into circles, 6 each way, up and around, 6. Keep them small and controlled. Fight through the air. 5, 4, good. 3, 2, 1, and reverse it. Keep it controlled. Remember, we're not moving our back. 6, 5, 4, I can certainly feel it. 3, hopefully you can as well. And 1, very good. Bend that knee in and then place both legs out. With our double side leg lift, I want you to focus on squeezing the inner thighs towards each other and the feet towards each other. Again, get your Fab 3 on. Have that little space underneath. Just do a hand test. If you can fit your hand underneath here, you're on the right track. Squeeze and lift both legs. Hold for 3, 2, 1, and down. Let's do 9 more. And lift. 2, 3, and down. 8 more. Remember, ribs and hips have a nice big space. Always using this hand to help you balance. I've got 3 to go. And 3. Noticing that the neck and shoulders aren't hunching up, keep them relaxed. 2. And 1. Squeeze and hold, squeeze and hold. Little pulse. 5, 4, finish it off. 3, 2, and 1, and down. Very good. Let's bend our knees. Slowly press yourself up. And we'll go straight onto the other side. So making sure you're comfortable. Nice and straight. Get your Fab 3 on. Shoulders down and back. Bend your bottom knee forward and drag that foot up the opposite wall. If there's a wall over there, it's like you're drawing a straight line right up. Keep that length in the waist. Good. Resisting up and down. Squeeze up 5. Remember, the air is stronger than you. Think about that. Really fight through it. 2. Good. And 1. Straight into our circles. Keep the hips steady as we circle. 6. And around. Keep them small and controlled. 5. Push through the air. And 4. 3. 2. Let's reverse it. Nearly there, everyone. 6. 5. 3. Should be feeling it now. And 2. 1 and down. Excellent. Stretch both legs out. Keep your Fab 3 on. Squeeze your knees and feet together. Get those inner thigh muscles working as well. And squeeze up. Hold. 2, 3 and down. And lift. 8 to go. And 7. How's your space here? 6. Keep it open. 5. 4. 3. Hope you're feeling those legs and outer thighs. And a little bit into your side. 2. And 1. Hold this one up. Pulse it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And down. Very nice. Let's have a stretch. A well-deserved stretch after this one. So sitting up. Place your feet into a mermaid position, so both legs going back. If it's too uncomfortable for your knees or hips, simply sitting up with your legs in front. Lifting and lengthening that arm up. And a nice gentle lean over to the side. Count to about 10. And down, changing sides. Good. Take a breath in here and out. Well done.